Daddy, chill.
Ooh, she making that. Asa.
Daddy, chill.
Girl. Baby Monster in the building. What's up? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out Sugar Honey Iced Tea. What a name. Of course, we got the one and only. Is she still? Oh, she's literally looking into the drink. I just realized why. I was like, what is she looking into? There's ice, there's lemon. I'm pretty sure there's honey.
Hello?
It's iced tea. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Dre Day, where I do play games over there. I've been having a great time playing it on twitch.tv/Dre Gaming. Go check me out. Every time I stream over there, it's always a good time. Be sure to follow the Discord, link in the description. And without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh.
Sup?
Ooh. Oh. Kind of reminded me of that Billie Eilish for a second. Do I? I guess I do. Ice. Ooh. Okay. Hey. Pipe dream. Oh my god. Everybody's fighting. They got brass knuckles? Does it say like, oh, whoa. I would be getting down to the office if that happened too. But what did the brass knuckles say? It looks so good. I can't even read that, but anyways. Wait, let me see. Hey, everybody body rolling, hips moving. Oh. She pulled the what? She pulled the teens? What? Ooh, oh, they be slaying. Like their outfits already. Oh my god, everybody going crazy. Hey. Talk about a bias. That's my bias right there. Everybody, let's talk about it. Sugar mama. Ooh, it says Emily, little sis. Hold up. Don't do the drama.
Daddy, chill.
Ooh, she making that. Asa.
Daddy, chill.
Girl. Asa though. That's the bias record right there. Oh. Okay. Let's go. Hey. Going in. Hey. Let me think. YG. Oh. I said YG because I thought it was gonna break down like let's go. But why is everybody's eyes so? I mean, listen, if Baby Monster came through, my eyes would be open too. Let's be real. Iced. Oh. Heart? Oh, wait, I want a heart attack now. Hold up. She throwing it back? Bow. Okay, here we go. Ooh. I'm crying for the janitor. Breaking sticky floor. Sugar crash coming. I know it smells delicious in here though. How do you even clean that? Whoa. It's getting viral. Iced tea. Sugar honey. Okay, vocals. Sugar honey iced tea. Everybody really gonna like me. All right, let me stop. I was gonna rap, but I'm gonna leave that to like. Everybody here is so talented. Oh my god, especially this part right here. The pre-chorus is fire. Can't tell me they didn't slay, bro.
Don't do the drama, just at the comments like yeah. You wanna don't
Prima donna.
Get the wrist the border that yeah.
Tell me what you know about this. When I get like me, you wish. Comes naturally, I know the matter me, cause they know I'm the.
What rhymes with wish? Cause they that no, what that's my bias record right there. Come on. Down below what you guys think of Baby Monster Sugar Honey Iced Tea. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out Dre Day, where I'll be posting my gaming videos. I'll be live streaming on twitch.tv/Dre Gaming, Discord, link in the description down below. Go join us. It's a great K-pop community down there. We also play games down there too. Probably watch the movie sometimes too. Also, gotta update the Patreon. It's been a minute since I updated the Patreon, so be sure to follow me there. It is free to follow. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day. Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.